Welcome to the AdminTool video series. In this video, we will run through the process of creating a user and check the differences between using a client and the web interface. We will create a user using a client, so first select Create Person Request. As we are logged on as a user with administrative privileges, there are a lot of options available. Everything from creating, renaming and moving users and their mail files right through to recertifying users, nearly every task an administrator would need to do. We select Create a New Person and enter their details, such as their name and any groups you require the user to be part of. You can also set default groups that can be populated for every user. As we have this environment connected to the IBM Cloud, we can also assign some subscriptions if required for our new user. Once happy, we have entered all of the correct information, we save and release. This now sends the request for processing. As you can see, the new user request has now been created and it's in a status of new. A scheduled task runs in the background to pick up all of the new requests and sends them for processing. This task schedule can be set in the preferences. A few minutes later, the request has been processed and it has been moved to the process queue. If we search by date, the new user has been created and all of its details are listed, including the mail server, mailbox, and user ID, etc. It is also possible to use a web interface with AdminTool. As you can see, the Create User Request form is very similar to the Notes application, with the same fields to fill in and the same details. If we check our newly created user from the web interface, you can see all of the details are listed too. The web UI is fully customizable to allow for user administration without the need of a Notes client. Let's switch back to the client and check the administration request database. Here you will see that the mail file has been created correctly for our new user. If we check the directory by name, you can see that our user is listed here correctly too. As all actions in AdminTool are logged, the login database holds all of the information for every action performed within AdminTool. Switching to the name and address book, we can also see the new user is listed with the correct information. Creating a new user and assigning groups is as simple as filling in a form from a Notes client or a web interface. For more detailed information, please check out the other videos in the playlist, visit our website, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.